Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system or the firmware updates on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. Now, scroll through the settings menu and find the option called Software Update. It's at the bottom of the menu. Once you find this option, tap on it. And the watch will start checking for the updates automatically. Let's wait. And as you can see, my software is up to date, but if it detected any update for you, you should see the install button right here at the bottom. You can tap on it and it's gonna start downloading and installing the updates. I recommend though, before you start updating your watch, to plug it to the charger, so the battery won't die during the installation process, because if it dies during the installation process, it might damage your watch. So if you're planning on updating your watch, I recommend to plug it to the charger. Okay, and once you're done, of course, checking, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check for the system or the firmware updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.